how's it all, you beautiful people in the world watching this? This is MMN65 to you all, and I'm basically exhausted. I just took a full-on workout. It is storming outside. There's my brother over there. Steven, say hello to the people. Say hello. He's just playing some good old Sunset Overdrive. By the way, in the description below, tell us what type of zombie video game do you like. Um, so basically, I'm exhausted. I just took a full-on workout. Then the storm hit. I did make a video earlier, but the sound was drawn out because of the rain and the storm. But it was bad. Like the place, the streets are flooded and all that, and it is a massacre. But as you can see, my brother's having a little fun. Look at his face, having just a lot of fun. It's a Christmas tree, guys. Oh, anyway, again, Merry Christmas in the future. I'm gonna say Christmas Eve or Xmas, whatever. Damn, my lungs. So, guys, the future for this channel is I'm gonna do some. Well, you know what? I promised you guys some accents, and I'm gonna bring it up. But I'm also bringing up a new type of recording system for my vlogs instead of using my normal camera. And I hope you guys will like it. And we'll even have a short little message for you all. Yeah, I'm a weird person. So what? Anyway, if you guys have any suggestions, please leave it down in the description below. And if you did like the video, click a like, subscribe, click the bell icon, share this with your friends on Facebook, Instagram, wherever you want, and have a good day. This is MMN65 signing out. Peace!